Did you know some birds are as smart as primates? Here are the top 5 smartest birds in the world. Top 5, Pigeon, the memory master. Pigeons can recognize faces, navigate over long distances, and even understand abstract concepts. Top 4, Eurasian magpie, the self-aware bird. It recognizes itself in the mirror, something only a few animals can do. Top 3, Kia, the mischievous genius. This parrot can solve complex puzzles and even cooperate with others to complete tasks. Top 2, African gray parrot, the talking genius. This bird can learn hundreds of words, understand meanings, and even hold conversations. Top 1, crows ravens, the ultimate masterminds. They use tools, plan ahead, recognize faces, and even deceive other animals.